If you're thinking, with the weather, probably think about the same feeling when it comes to college tuition. Yes, we are your station for money. And when it comes to that big ticket item, well, many students are taking out tuition insurance. I've never heard about that before. Well, we're going to tell you all about it. Actually, we have a professional to tell you about it. Ibrahim Firat, he is the Chief Educational Consultant at Firat Education. Good morning to you. So what exactly is tuition insurance?
So you can buy a tuition refund insurance policy, which will refund the payments you made for tuition, fees, and on-campus housing if you withdraw from school. Considering that the average cost of tuition, fees, and room and board is about $24,000 a year for a state school and $50,000 for a private university, you might be tempted. The insurance pretty much costs several $100s per year depending on the plan and is offered by many colleges across the country and mainly through third-party sellers.
And what all does this tuition insurance cover?
Well, as with any insurance product, the devil is in the details. Most plans cover withdrawal only for a serious health issue. So if a student drops out for academic reasons, gets expelled, or just simply isn't happy at school, the insurance won't apply. Prior to COVID, only a small fraction of families have taken advantage of tuition refund insurance because of a chronic health condition. Pandemic, though, has changed this perspective as more and more families inquire about insurance and insurance carriers rush to make some inclusions and exclusions about COVID-related cases.
Are you seeing, because of the pandemic and the uncertainty, some universities, some colleges are just including that tuition insurance as part of the total tuition cost?
Yeah, so what we've seen is most schools have a refund policy, not necessarily included, but a refund policy that don't limit reimbursements to medical issues if your child withdraws during the school year. So if your son or daughter withdraws from school early in the semester, the college will likely refund a big portion of the tuition and housing costs you paid. And if you do have tuition insurance on top of that, the policy will cover whatever the school doesn't pay out. So in the end, it's a personal, financial, and medical situation or decision for families.
I know that school is just starting up for the fall for a lot of folks. So are you seeing more people are taking up this insurance?
Yes, we are. We're seeing more inquiries, and like I said, the insurance carriers are making inclusions as well as some exclusions about how to treat or how to pay out this insurance, depending on the cases. Some insurance carriers are requiring hospitalization record in addition to doctor's report of COVID-related cases. So I would not just jump in and buy the insurance just for the sake of. I would read the policy very much in detail and inquire about COVID-related cases.
All right, that's some good advice there. Ibrahim Firat, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks for having me.